Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tiger's Heart. Today I'm gonna review Upplov kitchen from IKEA. Please watch the whole video so you can see everything that I like and that I don't like about this kitchen. I bought this kitchen that is long about 3 meters for about 5,000 euro. I paid 400 euro to assemble it, and I also paid 50 euro to plumber to connect this pipe and drain. As you can see, the kitchen has beautiful countertop that match with the wall panel. You can see that. Also, I match this color with my kitchen table and this little table in the living room. You can see kitchen is very nice. The color is something between beige and gray, depends on a light. On a daily light it is little lighter and it looks more like beige, but when it's darker it is more gray. I bought tinned fridge for this kitchen. It is inbuilt fridge. I will show you here. When you open it, you can see the fridge. The fridge has very nice mechanism, and this door slides right here and here. It is very smooth. The fridge is very nice. Everything that you can expect from IKEA, everything is working smooth. It's great. You have this piece to adjust temperature, etc. You have various shelves inside. Everything you need in this little fridge. Now let's see this part here, the freezer. You can see the freezer. It has these 3 shelves, this small one for ice, this for some bigger pieces. Very simple but effective. Here is the same sliding mechanism. You can see that. Here is Kilk Wilsien, this piece here, and Delsion, this golden pipe. It looks so nice. I will show you when you turn it on. It has very nice stream of water. This piece here inside is also very practical. You can always take it out and dispose garbage when you're washing something inside. Here is the safety valve. If it's full, then the water can go there and you can prevent water to coming out of this piece. You can see that. My wife picked up this golden pipe. It's very beautiful. It matches perfectly with this golden piece here. You can see. Here I will show you this Matma SIG induction booster. It's very easy to turn it on here, and then you can adjust the power here for all these 4 pieces. Very convenient and very practical piece from IKEA. This is also very practical Froslunda dishwasher. It is built inside. It is very simple with simple commands. You can see inside it is small but very practical. You can slide this piece out. This is for putting salt in. Here you can see also one shelf, and here is the smaller shelf for, I don't know, knives, forks and things like that. It's very practical, very nice. You can see when you close it down, it blends perfectly in this kitchen. This is Antrata hot air oven, very practical from IKEA. You can see these commands. You can press it and it pops out. You can press it inside. Here. You can see. Very convenient. It has this piece here. It's a child's lock, child's protection, so your kid do not open it. Just push it up and open this piece. You can see inside very nice and simple. You have this grill here. With it, you have these pieces inside, so I don't put them out. Inside you can see the ventilator here. Very, very nice Entrata kitchen from IKEA. This kitchen here, as you can see, has this mask all around the kitchen, here, here, and here. I will show you from a little closer. You can see it. Everything is fully closed and masked with this wooden piece. Very, very nice and practical. Also down there is some, you can see some ventilation for fridge, but everything else is very nice and closed with this mask. IKEA engineers did great job. Kitchen is very, very nice. Now I will show you some of these cabinets. As you can see, easy but practical. They have very nice soft closing mechanism. As you can see, very nice. Lot of space, lot of storage here. As you can see, very, very nice. Here you can see UT-drag ventilation. Just press this button, it pops out. You can change and adjust the power. You can turn it off here. Very, very nice, with very convenient lights. There is a filter, you can take it off and you can wash it in a dishwasher or by hands. Very nice piece. You can see how that look from inside. Very nice. Here is custom made plug. Here's the tube for exhaust. And this piece here, if you wonder why, because when I bought this condo, the tube for ventilation wasn't near the main wall, but it was about 33 centimeters dislocated to the right. I need to tell carpenter to make this piece here so he can mask and hide this tube. Now, as you can see, the final result, kitchen is very nice. Everything is well put together. It matches perfectly with rest of the apartment. As you can see, the whole apartment here. I don't know if I forget something. Oh yes, I forget. I didn't show you this part here. Just watch here. This sliding mechanism is very, very nice. Look at this. Very nice, very soft close. Here you can put everything that you want. Here it has a glass panel to hide some things. Also practical here under the sink. Very large shelf. And down here you can see also large shelf with IKEA recycle bin. You can fill it with trash, then just take this, take it out and empty. Very, very nice and practical from IKEA. Here also I will show you, you have a little shelf here. Very nice and practical. I'm very pleased with this kitchen. I think IKEA is best thing that you can buy for your money, and I'm very pleased with it for now. I will keep you updating if anything changes. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.